I don't need validation to tell me who I am. I'm human. I live in the equation, and I've learned to understand. There's no such thing as limitation.
Welcome back to the AJ's World. That's right, my world, and I'm going to dinner and I'm taking you guys along with me. So yeah, get ready with me. I'm gonna put on my lash. No, so I'm gonna catch up my phone plan. Girl, bye. Catching ring. Girl, I deal with help you because I can. I'm feeling my age. I'm gonna get crop and skip out me. I forget to. A natural glam. Now go back. Listen.
She just said she do her homework already.
Are we on Zoom class?
Oh.
Alright, so guys, gonna put on my eyelash. I'm gonna come back and put on my eyelash. I'm gonna do my eyelash on camera. Hey guys, I'm back. Put on my lash. Them look kind of weird, but don't mind that. I'm gonna style. I'm gonna style my braid right now. I'm gonna style my braid. This is the finished look. This is the finished look. So guys, I'm gonna get ready. So catch you back when I have on my clothes. So yeah guys, this is my edges. So okay guys, I'm gonna finish, get ready. This is the finished look. This is the finished look, guys. Finished look. Going to dinner per. What my item pretty? She didn't want to come show them the finished look. Finished look. So guys, we're getting ready to live go away. And as I say, we get carrying on to the restaurant with me. Ooh, don't mind my eyelash. Oh, you kind of look crazy, but this is the finished look, guys. Yeah.
But tell the Christian girl live on one side and what you live on one side. So the proper Christian girl, yeah. Also, you get a taxi quicker that way, yeah? Anyway, that's so good.
going on a trip on a very rocket ship. She walks slow with me now.
Walk slow with you.
No.
We can't get you even dropping out.
Birthday girl. The girl didn't hear me a call to her. Birthday girl. Yeah, give them a spin, good. Give them a spin. Yeah, goodie. Yeah. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna fall down. Check my little. Yeah, girl. Hey guys, so guys, we reached at the restaurant. There it is. Hold on. We're here. Here I had to mute it because I didn't want to get copyright, and we're waiting for our food. Well, we ordered there and we were waiting our food, and this is me showing you guys me. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed my little dinner vlog. When me and my cousin never looked pante pizza was an appetizer and other pizza, but anyways, the pizza did nice, but it just never for my belly. So yeah, this is us enjoying our meal, and that's my drink. So guys, this is the full body picture. We're at the restaurant right now. Check out the food, check out the fit, check out. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about AJ's World. Come on, join the fam. Like, we're lit over here.